Alright, so we're back from the vet. That's Frick over there. Made a nice bed in the plant on the fountain. Well, as long as you're comfy. Jeez. Anyway, alright, so let me get situated here. And it's all good news, all good news. Where the heck did Frack go now? It said he'd be a little... There he is. There's my little Frack. There he is. Yeah, no. I know. Oh boy. Okay, let's do this. Alright, Frack. Now he's gone running to hide, I guess. So, okay, they said his bladder felt nice and normal. And, yeah, by the way he's been acting, especially this morning, he's been jumping up on the table and kind of acting normal again. So today they just checked him. The doctor visit was no charge. But we did talk about the UTI and possibility of it and everything, and they agreed that, well, they never took a urine sample. And some people mentioned about catheterizing, and I guess with a cat they have to use anesthesia to catheterize them, so that would have been a bigger deal. So they never got a urine sample to test or anything for a UTI. So to be on the safe side, I got him a antibiotic shot this morning, which I could have gone for the drops or the pills, but trying to give these guys something like that. I mean, with a dog you can wrap it up in a piece of cheese or a piece of meat, you know, the dog will eat it, but you can't do that with these guys. So we went for the shot, which is, you know, it lasts for 2 weeks like normal antibiotics do. Cefovecin, Convenia, 80 milligrams, $60. Anyway, so they said it'll make him a little bit tired for today due to the shot, which that's okay, you know. He can take the rest, and he's back over behind the where are we? There he is. Back behind the compressor, and big meowing and a lot of scratching this morning trying to get out of the carrier. And yeah, he likes it back there. It's kind of cool. Concrete, the sun doesn't hit it. So all good news. I think he came out of it just fine. And hang on a minute here, I have to have a little bit of queer beer. And so at first sip of the day, I just didn't want to take the chance of it returning and having to go back and go through that whole thing again, where more x-rays, more this, that, and the other. So the antibiotic isn't going to hurt him, and I thought, well, let's do it and get it over with, you know. That way we make sure. So, good news, people. Everything's copacetic here, and he has been eating. He did poop yesterday. I saw that. Never saw him pee, but obviously he has, because the belly area is shrunk down again. Before it looked kind of bloated, like he was, you know, like he just ate a bunch, which was from the bladder. So there it is. Anyway, all right, I'm going to have a easygoing day here, because my nerves have been racked a little bit about this. I get emotional when it comes to the kids, you know. People on the other hand, I don't, and I'm sorry. No offense to anybody out there. I'm just a lot more concerned about these helpless animals. So now it's time for me to unwind too, and kind of enjoy things. So anyway, that's the news. It's the update, and hopefully I won't be making any more kitten videos that are this kind in the future. Although you never know, but we'll keep our fingers crossed and everything else, and yeah, go from there. But anyway, and I'm glad. Oh, by the way, last night very few fireworks. In recent years, the fireworks around here have been pretty crazy, and I was kind of wondering or trying to see if they were going to freak out and run off or do something and hide. But there were maybe four pops last night, and that was the end of that. So yeah, good times, and probably people being broke, and you know, either that or they're passing away from the bioweapon. Who knows? In either case, it's all good news. All good news. So we will talk to you in the future. I'll give updates here and there, but the daily thing, like in the past few days, is going to be hopefully concluded. All right, take care. Peace out.